Hey guys, how are you today? So in this live trading session, live trading webinar, I will look for potential US dollar longs, and also we'll talk about my current trade in British pound, Japanese yen. I will talk about the Japanese yen. I will talk about gold, silver. I will talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, yeah, US equities, Forex majors. So please guys, if you have questions, I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for your messages in that YouTube chat. And I don't know, maybe this will be only a quick session if you don't have questions. Yeah, and if you are interested yeah, if you want me to take a look on a specific market or something, please, I'm waiting for your messages. I'm waiting for your questions. Please tell me what you are looking at on that market, your time frame, and then I will try to answer to your question. So here is the disclaimer, and as you already know, you need to read it. Trading, it's risky, and you need to understand the risks. And GBPUSD, can we long from current support? Euro bearish moves. Yeah. So I will close this window. Don't forget that if you are not a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video to join us, to join the VIP group. And you can still use that code, guys. YouTube at the checkout. So Euro USD sell now. No. Let's take a look first of all on Euro USD. Okay, so as I've said, and if you are a VIP member, personally I will come back with my trade management. Maybe if I'll decide to manage my trade in British pound, Japanese yen. Yeah, but right now the position is still valid. This could still be only a temporary drop, retreat to retest the immediate support levels before jumping higher. I will talk about the Japanese yen later. So market is crazy. Now how about Bitcoin, please? Okay, so Euro USD. As I said earlier in my in that daily video analysis, I've talked about Euro USD, about an imminent breakout. And I talked about two scenarios here, a downside scenario and an upside scenario. So that's why it's really important to watch all my videos. You can learn a lot from our videos. So you can watch again that video. So I've talked about this maybe rising wedge here. I've talked about 1.0601, 1.06 psychological level. I've talked about a descending pitchfork here. And yeah, you can see here also that the RSI and the price action signaled a bearish divergence. So personally, why I'm not already short here is only because maybe personally maybe I would have liked to see something here. Okay, test retest before dropping deeper, as I've said. But right now, personally, I'm working at a new strategy, trading strategy. Using a pitchfork and other tools, and right now I'm still testing, and I'm still testing and backtesting maybe this strategy. And when this strategy will be tested and backtested, and when this strategy will be ready, maybe it will help me to identify high probability trades without retests, like here in euro versus US dollar, because maybe personally right now I would have liked to see retest before extending its growth, extending its sell-off. But unfortunately I've missed this aggressive sell-off, aggressive breakdown. Okay, so with my new strategy, using pitchfork and other tools, I will be able to identify high probability trades and something like this, aggressive drops or aggressive upside movements or something. So yeah, I will come back with with a new strategy soon. But right now, maybe I'll wait here, because temporary rebounds or sideways movement, maybe here stabilizing below the weekly pivot point, below the S1, could bring us new short opportunities. So what's your view on GBPUSD? I will take a look on that market, but the Monistry, please tell me what you are looking at on GBPUSD. No, maybe I will share my opinion in British Pound US dollar, but I'm not your personal technical analyst here. So tell me what you are looking at, and we can talk about that market. So Richard, if you haven't already. TP for Euro USD, my entry was 1.0563. Yeah, so you are in deep profit right now in Euro versus the US dollar. So let's take a look. DXY. DXY. So as I've said earlier in that video, it has found support here around the weekly S1. It has failed to stabilize below 103.92 key level, and breakout, retest, and right now it has ignored also this immediate downtrend line. It has jumped above the weekly pivot point, and potential further growth maybe towards this I don't know, downtrend line could force the US dollar to appreciate. Okay, when we can trade in USD deep. Yeah, so if you are short or yeah, so if you are short on Euro USD, yeah, from 1.0563, I believe that you are in the profit. Yeah, so a new lower low, something like this. I don't know, 40 pips, sorry, 33 pips. Yeah, and I don't know if your stop loss is here, or yeah, I believe that you are in deep profit in the short term. So when can we trade Euro USD? So right now maybe it's too late to sell it here, because maybe I would like to see a temporary rebound, retest before extending its sell-off. So no, right now I'll wait, and also maybe I'll wait for a retest. So even if I've missed this opportunity, I've talked about this opportunity, but maybe the price will come back to retest this inside sliding line, the pivot point, the weekly pivot point, before extending its sell-off. So I will look for potential shorts here. Okay, even if I've missed an opportunity to sell it here, only because we had only an aggressive breakdown, and maybe personally I would have liked to see retest, but right now maybe we'll have a great short opportunity soon if the price will come back to retest here, yeah, the immediate resistance levels, former support levels, before extending its sell-off. So if you are a VIP member, I will share my trade in Euro USD when I'll have a new high probability trade. Do you think it will continue selling off for a while? I don't know. What should we look for to take out profit? So as long as I don't have a selling position right now in Euro USD, I will not tell you what to do. Okay, so as you already know, I'm not a financial advisor, so I will not tell you what to do. It's your trade, it's your call. But maybe, I don't know, you can look for potential downside targets. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, you can look for former lows, for key levels. Yeah, please take a look. 1.0470 as support, as key level, and you can see that the price has found the support here, and but you know, maybe around the S1, around the medium line, around this key level, the price, even if the price will retest here, it could drop towards these levels where it could find support again. So right now, in the short term, the bias is bearish. After this aggressive sell-off, it could extend its sell-off, maybe despite maybe temporary rebounds, retests, and personally maybe I will look for potential something like this for a minor rebound, minor growth before dropping deeper. And yeah, when I'll have something like a new high probability trade, I will share it into the VIP group. Okay, James, good morning, sir. Hi, how are you? Okay, no worries, respect that. Okay, James, Ethereum, 15 minutes chart, looking for shorts. Okay, I will take a look on Ethereum. Let's take a look, actually, Ethereum. 15 minutes chart, you are looking for shorts. I don't know, personally, I've talked about Ethereum today in a video for a crypto channel. I've talked about this flag here in Ethereum, okay, on 1 hour. Yeah, but personally, maybe I would have liked here for the price to come back down to retest the pivot point, the lower medium line before jumping higher. So yeah, maybe this will be only a temporary growth, I don't know, because we have here something like a resistance area, strong resistance area represented by this key level 1257. We also have a 1292 as resistance. So yeah, on 15 minutes you are looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs in GBPUSD on the 30 minutes chart, the monastery. Okay, so please take a look here. Ethereum, guys. Okay, so immediate resistance 1237, and here something like an immediate support, static support. Yeah, and in my opinion, maybe here staying below the uptrend line, stabilizing actually below the uptrend line, staying below this key level, test retest, new lower low could activate a potential downside movement again here in Ethereum in the short term. So this is my opinion. This is not a trading recommendation. This is not a trading signal in Ethereum, but this is my opinion. British pound, US dollar. Thank you guys for your messages. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to answer to your questions. So you want to go long? Why? So I'm looking for longs in GBP on the 3rd minutes chart. You are looking for longs from here, from around the former lows, the monastery. So let's take a look. Downtrend line, intact downtrend line. So the bias remains bearish. So personally, I'm looking only for shorts. But personally, I would have liked the GBP versus the US dollar to come back higher, maybe to retest the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, downtrend line, and maybe here it would have signaled the potential new sell-off. And but right now it's still trapped within this pattern range between 1.2324, 1.2155. So yeah, in the short term on lower time frames, I don't know, maybe if but right now you can see that the pair drops only because the dollar index rallied. And yeah, maybe here around these support levels, downside obstacles, we can look for potential rebounds. But I don't know, I really want to see something like a strong bullish pattern here, false breakdown with great separation, test, retest, bullish engulfing or something here before taking action. Okay, because this false breakout here could also signal potential sell-off, and also a downside breakout and a deeper drop. Okay, so that's why you have to be careful. Okay, on GBP US dollar, after its failure to take out 1.2324, after its failure to activate a potential further growth. Okay, so this is my opinion here in the short term. On 1 hour is the same if I'll take a look on 13 minutes. Okay, also maybe temporary after this sell-off, temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities, okay, towards this area. Yeah, so personally I'm not looking for longs right now, only because the dollar index rallied. So also don't forget, guys, to like this video. Don't forget to like this video. It will it will be helpful for me to the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, let's invite more members. Okay, and okay, so I will take a look on your messages and I will try to answer to your messages. So I've talked about Euro USD, GBPUSD, Bitcoin. One moment, I have to check something about Bitcoin. Looking at buys personally, yeah, when we can, okay, deep detail, okay. So Ethereum, I talked about Ethereum. I will take a look also on Bitcoin. Euro USD, thoughts sold at 1.5231. Sir, I pay for VIP but I haven't added yet. Okay, so Obi Moses support. So please send send an email to support, and they will sort you out. Personally, I'm not working as a support agent, so yeah, I don't know your situation, Obi. So please wait. If you've already sent an email to support, please wait. They will sort you out. They will come back to you. Yeah. So let's take a look on gold. Sells 1 hour chart. So the monastery 1 hour chart sells. No, personally I will not sell here right now. I'll wait. And as you already know, Orlando's selling position here in gold, it was closed at break even, and it was a nice decision maybe to manage it, to move the stop loss at break even, only because please take a look here. Personally, I don't like the price action here right now. An extended sideways movement, and we have these former lows here, and unfortunately guys, this false breakdown here, maybe with great separation below 1821.24. Yeah, so as long as it stays below this former low, this could still be a static support here in gold. But also we are still looking for potential shorts in gold, only because if the US dollar will continue to appreciate, and if the dollar index, please take a look here, if the dollar index will continue to grow, yeah, but you know, maybe it will stabilize here above the pivot point, then it will jump higher. So potential further growth here on the dollar index could signal that maybe the price of gold could drop. Okay, so that's why personally I'm looking right now for potential US dollar longs and gold shorts. And here the monastery, because you asked me about gold, you can see that it has failed here to make a new higher high. It has failed to come back, maybe to approach and reach the former highs. So staying here maybe near these downside obstacles, support levels or something, could signal an imminent breakdown. Okay, so that's why we are still looking for potential shorts, but right now I don't know, it's risky, only because please take a look here. The US is to release in 15 minutes. The US is to release its CB consumer confidence. Okay, this is seen as a high impact event, high impact indicator. anything could happen around this high impact event, consumer confidence, right? So the indicator is expected to drop from from 106.4 to 100, yeah, and I don't know, maybe a deeper drop here registered by consumer confidence could force the US dollar to depreciate again in the short term, could force the dollar index to drop, and could force the price of gold to increase, okay, to jump higher. So it's risky, okay, around the CB consumer confidence, and maybe we'll catch something really good later after the CB consumer confidence. Maybe we'll catch potential trade in gold. So even if the price of gold drops right now, I don't know, for me it's risky to trade it right before that high impact event. And yeah, after failing also here to approach to reach this former high, immediate high, yeah, the downside pressure is high right now. Maybe the price of gold could drop, as I said, because I don't know, the dollar index could jump higher, and but as I've said, personally, maybe I'll wait for this high impact event, and then I will look for potential trades in gold as well. So yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, don't forget, guys, to like this video. Thank you. Okay, and personally, I'm still holding that trade in British pound, the Japanese yen. It's traded, or actually, my trade is around break even. So yeah, I'm still holding that trade because, guys, let's take a look. Yen basket. So why I'm still holding that trade? Only because yeah, here the Japanese yen basket, it has tried to rebound in the short term. Please take a look here, okay? But the downside pressure, the bearish pressure is high, and a potential deeper drop, downside movement could force the yen to depreciate, okay? So that's why this could still be on a temporary rebound here. And as you already know, as long as it stays below this downtrend line, the pressure is high. It could maybe approach and reach at least the weekly S1, this former low, or this former low. So that's why I'm still holding, okay? I'm still holding. Hello, Avis Opportunities. Okay, so that's why I'm holding that trade. I will Euro Australian dollar. Okay, Euro Australian dollar. Matthew, what you are looking at on that market? Sold at 1.5231. So I will not tell you what to do, only because this is your trade, is not my trade. But I will share my opinion if you want my opinion. So key level. One moment. Key level here in Euro Australian dollar, 52.31. 52.31. So you are in profit right now. Nice for you. So as I said, no, I will not tell you what to do. And yeah, it has reached this resistance area, resistance zone, but I will share my opinion. So it has reached this resistance area, resistance zone, and right now it has turned to the downside. It has turned to the downside, and maybe here a new lower low, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below 1.5167 could signal potential deeper drop in the short term here. So yeah, a nice trade for you here in Euro Australian dollar. 1, 2, and 3 here, and an inside sliding line here. So don't forget that this could be something like a down channel, okay? A flag, potential flag. What? Euro USD, I've talked about Euro USD. What indicator to view buying, selling volume? Looking for TP. what? Euro, Australian dollar. Yeah, thanks. In a sell, looking for TP at 1 point. Yeah. Okay. So I will not tell you what to do, as I said, Matthew, because no, I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do because this is not my trade. It's your trade. It's your call. But as I've said, resistance area, resistance zone. Here is failure to stay to stabilize above 1.5280 and here above my upper medium line of the descending pitchfork. But don't forget that this could be something like a flag here, like a down channel. So I don't know, it could only maybe reach this inside sliding line before rebounding or something, or here failing to make a new lower low could signal a potential rebound. But after reaching the resistance area, resistance zone, maybe a temporary drop or something was natural, was expected. But right now, please take a look. It's located and traded above this key level here, above this pivot, or right below it, sorry. But yeah, I don't know, this candle will be closed in 7 minutes, so I don't know, maybe it could still register only a false breakdown below this key level. So let's wait and see. But as I've said, a value breakdown could signal potential drop at least towards this inside sliding line here. So yeah, this is my opinion here. Okay, Euro USD drop it also because Euro USD drop it, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I've talked about that market. So in 7 minutes, guys, don't forget CB consumer confidence. Let's see how the dollar index will react around this high impact event. US 100. US 100. Key level 12,210.5 on US 100 and on Nasdaq key level. And maybe I'm looking for potential shorts if the CB consumer confidence will come in better than expected, and if the dollar index will jump higher, then maybe I will look for potential shorts. Also, if it, of course, if it stays here below this key level, below this below yesterday's high. 1, 2, and as I said, personally I'm working at a new strategy. Actually, I'm building a new strategy, trading strategy that could be used on all markets, on all time frames. I will use Pitchfork and other tools, trying to identify high probability trades, and maybe using this strategy I will I don't know, identify high probability trades, and I will be able to go long and short that market as well. Before, I don't know, waiting for confirmation or something, for the price to confirm a potential breakout or something. So this will be a really good good strategy. And as I've said, we are working on a lot of new projects for you guys. Yeah. So do you think gold is going to rise today? I don't know. USD Cad. So look, just an imaginative idea. It is possible for gold to 1836 and then heads down to So so what I want here in a US 100 test retests here before a new sell-off, because a new higher high here could activate potential further growth. Okay, US 30 is bullish right now, and I will keep an eye on this key level. Don't forget that the US equities could register sharp movements in 4 minutes around the US data dump. Key level, I will look for potential trades here around that key level. Also here, after this rebound, lag higher, swing higher, I will look for potential maybe shorts. Yeah, immediate resistance here on US 500. Yeah, staying below this level, test, retest, a new lower low could signal potential new sell-off, and the value breakout could signal potential further growth in US 500. Okay, so gold again. I talked about gold. So as I've said earlier, I don't want to sell it. I don't want to trade gold right now, only because this CB consumer confidence represents a high impact event indicator, and it could bring high volatility and sharp movements. So right now only a false breakdown again below 1821.24. So you are talking about 1836. I don't know. Yeah. So sideways movement. Extended sideways movement, guys, here in gold. Okay. Also, another reason why I don't want to sell it here maybe is because I have this uptrend line. Right now, it has reached this uptrend line. Okay. So I'll wait to see how it will react here in this support zone. We have maybe something like a potential triangle in the short term here. So that's why maybe I'll wait for the price to escape from this triangle before taking action, before, I don't know, going long, going short. But in my opinion, the bias is bearish, and maybe we'll have personally I'm looking for something like a downside continuation. Okay, but as I've said, I still need confirmation here, because right now we are at support. We are at support here. Alan, would a short on silver be better than gold? Let's take a look. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video, this video. Also about silver. Let's refresh the economic calendar. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little bit tired. Let's refresh the economic calendar. CB consumer confidence. I will take a look on my news terminal as well. CB consumer confidence. Because it was released. And about silver, yeah, So CB consumer confidence worse than expected, guys. So please be careful. Worse than expected, CB consumer confidence. So that's why maybe, I don't know, silver and gold could try to rebound. So I will share one moment, because I will share it also in the VIP group. Okay, so CB consumer confidence worse than expected. Let's take a look. 98.7, guys, below 100 expected. So worse than expected. Data from the US, actually mixed data today, but this was seen as a high impact event. So let's take a look again on gold. Yeah, it's still there. It's at support, and I don't know, maybe false breakdowns could signal potential new bullish momentum. And in my opinion, only a new lower low, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below 1818, it could signal potential maybe deeper drop towards S1, towards this uptrend line. Okay, so DXY, maybe the DXY will come back down to retest the pivot point, the broken downtrend line, before extending its growth. Because right now, as I've said, mixed economic data, the CB consumer confidence wasn't expected, but right now the dollar index is still bullish. But also after this amazing rally, we cannot exclude the temporary drop, sideways movement before jumping higher. Yeah. Okay, please guys, if you have more questions, I'm still here. Because if you don't have questions, I will end this webinar soon. So silver. So you are wondering if we have a better selling opportunity here compared to gold. Personally, I don't like the price action right now. But technically, guys, after dropping, closing and stabilizing below this key level, 21.669, it has signaled maybe potential deeper drop, because it has failed to come back higher towards these former highs. And staying near the support level signaled an imminent breakdown, rebound here. Let's take a look. Rebound in the short term. I don't know, maybe something like this or something like this. Okay. Drop, retest maybe. But unfortunately, it has failed here to stabilize below this former low, below 20.897. Is the martingale strategy good for small lots? I don't know. ATM, I'm not using martingale strategy or something like this. Okay, no. Personally, I'm using something else, so I don't know, but personally I'm not using it, so maybe on lower time frames. But no, right now maybe I will stay away. As long as I don't have a high probability trade, as long as I don't have I don't know, really good trade with really good risk to reward ratio. No, I don't want to trade. Yeah, I don't want to do over trading, or I don't know, only to place trades if I don't have something really good. Yeah. So right now about silver, it challenges this former low, maybe dropping and closing below it could signal potential drop towards this key level, but no, I don't have a high probability trade here, so no, I will not go short, because sorry, okay, because I don't know if I would go short here. Where should I place my stop loss? Here. And I don't know, we have this potential target here, so no, I don't have a really good setup or trade right now here in silver. That's why I'll wait. Yeah. US oil. US oil. Yeah, I've talked about US oil yesterday and about this downtrend line. It has ignored this downtrend line, so I will delete it. But right now it has reached this former low key level 111 and the medium line as dynamic resistance. And I don't know, test, retest, and false breakouts here could signal a potential new sell-off here in US oil and crude oil. Crude oil, guys. So maybe I will look for potential shorts if I'll identify something like a bearish pattern here. Sorry. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. Don't forget that maybe a very breakout, a new higher high could signal potential further growth. And test, retest, false breakouts, breakdown, sell off. US oil, crude oil. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Please take a look. Sell off towards the medium line, rebound, retest of the upper medium line, sell off towards the medium line. So we have a range right now. Okay, very breakout could signal an upside continuation, and here false breakouts, new lower low could signal a potential sell-off. Okay, DXY again. Yeah, it's still bullish, even if that high impact indicator reported worse than expected data. Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin. Okay, unfortunately it has failed to take out 21,708. It has failed to stay above the medium line. Adam Queen, hi Olympio, have you viewed Bitcoin? If not, please can you provide your opinion. I have an open buy position around 20. Okay, so as I've said, right now I'm talking about Bitcoin. Adam Queen. And my opinion about Bitcoin. One, two, three. Maybe a downtrend line, something like a flag pattern formation channel or something. Maybe I will delete this this from here. And I will use an inside sliding line. So we had this rally here before this drop. So I will put this inside sliding line here. Inside sliding line. Okay. US 30 went crazy earlier. Yeah. So crazy. Yeah. As I've said, I'm looking maybe for potential shorts on US equities in the short term, but I'm still waiting for confirmation. So about Bitcoin, in my opinion, as long as it stays above this inside sliding line, okay, maybe I'll delete this yeah, major pitchfork. Don't forget, guys, that this could still be only a temporary rebound, okay? And here is failure to make a new higher high, signaled the strong sellers, strong bearish pressure. But in my opinion, as long as it stays here above the weekly pivot point, I don't know, maybe above this immediate low, above the inside sliding line, even if it will maybe come back down to retest this very breakout could signal potential growth. But only jumping, closing and stabilizing here above 21,708 could signal potential larger rebound, larger and broader swing higher in the short term. Okay. I don't know, maybe in the short term we cannot exclude the sideways movement, the extended sideways movement before trying to develop a larger growth or something. Right now, no, I don't have short opportunities, selling opportunities here, because I don't want to sell it as long as it stays below the inside sliding line, okay? Yeah, and this flag, this pattern could represent a bullish pattern, okay? I don't know, dropping here, closing and stabilizing could signal potential downside movement. But as I said, very breakout, consolidation, accumulation could signal potential growth. US 30, Dow Jones, yeah, guys. Maybe a false breakout above 31,737, test retest, and new lower low could signal potential new sell-off or something, but we'll have to wait for confirmation. Yeah, confirmation, guys. Okay, if you have more questions, I'm still here. And USD Cad, let's take a look on USD Cad. But Matthew, as I've said, please tell me what you are looking at on that market. Yeah, I don't know your time frame. I don't know your bias, or yeah, because I don't want to talk alone here, and that's why I'm waiting for messages, for questions. I'm waiting for you to tell me what you're looking at, because maybe we can talk, we can identify new opportunities or something together. And of course, personally, I'm sharing my trades in the VIP group. If you want to follow them, if you want to follow my trade management. So USD versus the Canadian dollar, the bias is bearish, guys. Is bearish after escaping from the descending pitchfork's body, after his failure here to stabilize above the upper medium line, and also after escaping from this pattern. And please take a look, only false breakout from this range, false breakout, signal at the very breakdown, and then boom, sell off. Right now it tries to maybe to retest the 1.2860, and as long as it stays below this downtrend line, it could still how are you feeling about the markets today? I don't know. As I've said, personally, I'm looking for potential US dollar longs, US equities shorts. Yeah, and I'm still holding my my position in British pound, British pound versus the Japanese yen. I will come back with my trade management if I'll decide to manage it. Yeah. It seems that the dollar index ended its drop after its failure here, maybe to approach to retest 103.41. So that's why I'm still looking. I'm looking, guys, for potential US dollar longs. Let's take a look. No, maybe here is too late. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Australian dollar, US dollar. Sorry, guys. Yeah, but I'm still looking for something really good. That's a good answer. I don't know if it's a good answer for you, but for me it's I don't know. I've told you, um, I'm feeling good about markets today because I'm looking for US dollar longs, because the dollar index maintains a bullish bias, as you already know. It was in a corrective phase, so yeah, I'm looking for US dollar longs, but I need confirmation. I'm looking for US equities shorts. I don't know, maybe for gold shorts. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, and ATM USD Japanese yen. No, I don't. I will not answer to that question message, because I've told you guys. Please tell me what you are looking at on that market. Okay, I will take a look on that market. Please take a look. Yeah, US dollar Japanese yen. I will take a look on monthly. Are you satisfied? I will look on monthly. Please tell me what you are looking at on that market before I will answer to your questions. Okay. Person, I'm looking for potential US dollar longs right now. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, maybe I would like the price here to retest here 1.2860, test retest, and this could be something like a flag, like a pattern, like a bearish pattern. Okay. Okay, I will talk about this market, US dollar Japanese yen, but please tell me what you are looking at. As you already know, I've talked about this market, retreat, correction, and here we had something like a pattern. It has failed to approach, reach, to retest the downside line. It has registered a very breakout above the upper medium line, and also a new higher high here, signaling potential growth. Only because, as you already know, the dollar index rallied, so that's why the US dollar is bullish, and the yen basket, it has plunged, signaling and forcing the yen to depreciate versus its rivals. Okay, that's my opinion about USD Japanese yen. If you are not telling me what you are looking at on that market, yeah. Okay, if you don't have questions, I was live here, I don't know, for more than 50 minutes. So personally, I'm still holding my trade in British pound versus the Japanese yen. Okay. If you are a VIP member, no, I will not show here the setup. I will not talk about it in my in this live, because that trade is still valid, and that trade is only for the VIP members. So yeah. USD versus the Singapore dollar. Now Mexican peso. Now as I've said, maybe the dollar index could still drop after, but now it's still located above the pivot point. USD South African Rand, sell-off retreat after the US data. Please take a look here. Strong rally retreat. Its failure here to make a new lower low. It has signaled that the sellers are exhausted already. Breakout. This could be my new US dollar long. I don't know, maybe. Okay, breakout, and right now US dollar versus the South African Rand could come back to retest the broken uptrend line before jumping higher, and that's why maybe I will look for potential longs on this market. One, two, three. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. So key level as resistance, this pivot 16.050. But the reason why I want the price to come back to retest is that I want to maybe to hide my stop loss below potential new low here before extending its growth. Yeah, so that's why I'll keep an eye on US dollar South African Rand. Maybe we'll have a really good upside continuation here. Right now we are at resistance, former highs. Ascending pitchfork. Lower medium line retests. Sorry, I'm happy with your discussion. Okay, ATM sell. No, in my opinion, US dollar is US dollar versus the Japanese yen is bullish, but I don't have a buying setup right now, so I'll wait. Yeah, for something on that market. $15 minutes. 15 minutes here. For hour. So I'm looking for longs here on US dollar versus the South African Rand. Its failure to stabilize below the 38.2. And as I said, I want a retest here to be able to hide my stop loss here before extending its growth. Okay, I will maybe I will end this this webinar here, and I will maybe share my new trade potential US dollar long into the VIP group later. I'll wait to see how the price will react, or actually how the US dollar will react after that was unexpected. CB consumer confidence. Please take a look up here in gold. I've told you that we are at support. Yeah, I've told you guys that we are at support and that that we may have a rebound. I've told you earlier why I'm not short, why I don't want to sell gold. Silver, I've told you why I don't want to go short in silver right now. US oil, yeah. Okay, I've said that maybe we'll have a sell-off. I'll wait to see here how it will maybe close this this candle here, 15 minutes candle in 3 minutes. I've told you that maybe we'll have a selling opportunity here in US oil from around this resistance zone, resistance area. Actually, we have also a confluence area here. But personally, I would have liked to see false breakouts before a new sell-off. Okay. US 100. Yeah, I've told you that I'm looking for shorts. But I would have liked to see test, retest, false breakouts. Thanks for your advice, master. So these are my analysis, my opinions. So thank you as well. So don't forget to like this video. I'm waiting for comments right below this video. You can join us, guys. You can join the VIP group by accessing the link posted right below this video. And only because, as you already know, we are up around I don't know, let's take a look here. 14.23% growth. Let's take a look here. Constant growth here in our real account. Learn to trade VIP performance, real account. Okay, so if you are interested, because we will continue 8.52% growth in May, break even in April, June 5.87, and maybe we'll and actually, yeah, we'll continue to grow our real account. And if you are interested in our VIP trades, and yeah, if you like our performance, we'll continue to grow this account. But it's really important to become a VIP member, because you will need all our trades if you want to follow all our trades. Because personally, I'm not sharing trades in the free group. So please, guys, join us. Thank you. I will end this webinar, and if I'll have something really good, I will come back later with a US dollar long. As I've said, US dollar long. Maybe here on US dollar South African rand. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.